First, let's talk about what a cable certifier is and why it's important to you. Today, office buildings, malls, industrial plants, and even football stadiums have network communication cables connecting data centers, computers, and people. If you're the person that's installing these fiber and copper network communication cables in these facilities, you understand that data rates are getting faster, cable specs are being pushed to the limit, and even installation practices can be the difference between achieving acceptable performance from the cable or having problems to troubleshoot. A cable certifier tests cable specs after the cable has been installed to global TIA standards. Each cable type, such as Cat5e, Cat6, or Cat6a, will have progressively stringent globally accepted test standards. If the project spec calls for cable certification, or if you're providing a cable warranty backed by the cable manufacturer, then you'll have to perform cable certification testing with a cable certifier such as the WireXpert to ensure that your installation meets global performance standards. We have found that some project specs are not generic in nature, but support a specific name brand of testers such as Fluke, Softing, or others. Don't worry, you can change this requirement since branded specs are not best practice and for sure does not dictate compliance. What guarantees compliance is validation testing and documentation from the cable vendor supplying the warranty. The project spec wording should be a cable certifier approved by the cable manufacturer supplying the warranty. If a brand is specified, you can always just add the words or equivalent following the brand name. Why is cable certification important? Poor cable routing, improper shielding, untwisting of cable pairs, sliced insulation, and even wrong cables can contribute to slower data rates in high-performance communication cables. Before the cables even get connected to routers, switches, or computers, testing and certification will show whether the cable will meet the global TIA standards. After certification, you'll be able to hand over a report that shows that the installation fully meets the global performance standards your customer expects from your installed cables.